Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Cs video session 9. So in today's video, just like our previous session, we will walk through a few more examples about sync filters, and we will today try for other objects other than account, that is contacts, opportunities, lead and products. Okay, so let's get started. So this is my Salesforce Analytics org. Cs org, and here I go to Analytics Studio. And then over here, I go to data manager. And then of course, on the manage data flow, we are going to provide the sync filter as we have learned in the previous session. Now, this is my external developer org because I'm applying the sync filter on external developer org, just like I did in my previous video session for account object. So here I have one contact, and let's see what are the details I can find about contact. What are the fields I can take for contact? And similarly, I have lead records over here. Okay. So let me refresh this. And here I have for opportunity, I will forward to the details section. And then I have product details over here. So, from contact, what I can see is probably I can take department and I can take lead source and level. Okay. Department, lead source and level. So let me do one thing. Yeah. So let me open my data export. Okay. Let me open on a new screen. Let me quickly write an SQL query. So as I told you, I will take department, lead source and level. So first, let me write one SQL query. So we can see we have department as finance quite a few, and probably for lead source, I can take a trade show maybe, or public relations. Okay, public relations. And for level, I can maybe take primary. So let me write something like this where my department is equal to finance, and my lead source is equal to, let's say, public relations. And I can write one or conditions where I can mention or my level is equal to, let's say, uh, primary. Okay, primary. Let me write an SQL query like this. Some mistake I'm making here. Okay, fine. So I am getting a total of 10 records. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the same filter. Okay, sorry. This is cool. I'm going to apply the same filter in sync, and we will check if it is working or not. Fine. So very quickly, I will go to this connect tab, and over here, I will just put for contact. So let me put the filter very quickly here. Okay. And let me click on done, and let me click on save. Okay. And similarly, let me just do for others as well. So just like this also, now let me take for this one, that is lead. For lead, maybe I can take lead source and industry. Okay, lead source and industry. So let me write here lead source and industry. Lead source. Let me write some conditions like where lead source. I don't see much industry over here. What I can do is probably I can take rating. Okay, let's see if I have some values for rating, because I don't have much values for it. Industry. It's coming. Okay. For rating also, I don't have much. Let me check one more thing. Maybe lead status. I think probably for lead status, I can get something. Okay. Sorry, let me write status. Okay. So let's see. Okay. I think I have quite a few records. So maybe I can take lead source as web. Okay. Lead source as web and working contact data fine. So I will take where lead source equal to web, and my status will be working. Let me do one thing. Yeah, I think and is fine. So I will put this condition also for my lead. So let me just quickly come back over here, and let me also put the filter for lead very quickly. Fine. And similarly for opportunity also, what I can probably do is I can take something like type and lead source maybe, or stage. Yeah, I can take lead type and stage. Okay, let me try out with type and stage. So again, I will just write here opportunity. First, let me check what are the values I'm getting. Okay, type, I am getting something like existing customer upgrade, and maybe I can take closed one. Okay, so for this one, let me write equal to closed one. Fine. Or let me give the type as equal to this one, that is existing customer upgrade. Okay, and let me see if I can bring one more field, and I can write and conditions. So maybe what I can do is probably I can take lead source, uh, lead source maybe. Okay, let's see what I can get for lead source. Fine, let me put lead source. Mm, stage name is equal to closed one. What I'm getting over here. Give me a minute. Okay, I didn't put the where condition. That's why one error was coming up. But now what I can do is I have also gotten lead source. I can write something like and my lead source will be equal to let's say I can put for this one external referral, and let's see if I can get some values. Okay. Okay, I get some 8 records. Fine. And I will put the same condition in my sync filter. So I'm going over here. For lead, it's already done. Let me click on save. And for opportunity, and similarly for opportunity. Let me very quickly put the filter. Okay, and let me click on save. And at last, we have this product. Fine. So for product, we don't have much fields. So maybe I can take something like active, maybe. Okay. So let's see. Select ID, comma name from product 2, and maybe I can take some field. I see is active. Okay. And I see family. So let's see if I have something like family over here. And let's see what kind of values I'm getting. I'm not getting any values for family. Maybe let's check for product code, maybe. Product code. Okay. I don't think there is any other fields I have. Yeah, unfortunately, no. So let me click on this. Okay. And here also, I think the product code has this condition. So what I can do is I can just take, I think for this one, I don't think so anything will make sense because we have very unique code. Okay. So that's fine. You can take something like is active, but that doesn't matter. So maybe we can try out for whatever we have done till now. So for now, I will just run all these objects very quickly. So I had run late. I will now run, I had opportunity. I will now run late. And now I will also run this one, which is contact. Okay. And now we will just monitor the screen over here and see if it runs successfully. Okay, now as we have seen, all this particular objects ran successfully. So the sync filter had been there. And now what I'm going to do is very quickly, I will open the requisite data flow, which I need to run. So let me come over here, and I think it's there in pre-session 2, where we worked upon with all the objects, right? So yeah, these are all my external objects, and I will just run the data flow over here. And of course, I will check. I will again need to monitor over here. Okay, so this data flow also ran successfully. So now I will very quickly go to browse section, and I will open my shared app because for data flows, we are mainly sharing it over there. So I will first open contact, external contact dataset. Then I will open external lead dataset. Then I will open external opportunity. Okay, and very quickly, let us see. So I'm getting 10 records over here as per the sync filter condition. And if you see over here also, I'm getting 10 as well, which is matching. Then for lead, I'm getting 4. So if I go to lead, I can see 4 records, which is fine. And for opportunity, I'm getting 8 records. So for opportunity also, I see 8 records. So as you can see over here, this will exactly match. It's exactly matching. And yeah, that's it about the video. For product, I didn't have any fields. Okay. So maybe you can try by putting some values for family. Fine. But yeah, other than that, we have seen like we have put some different combination of sync filters and it's working. We have tried with and or over here. We have tried with and then or and okay. So all this way it works. And yeah, that's it about this video. So in case you have liked this, please do like, share and subscribe. And also let me know in case there are certain topics which you want me to cover, which you are finding difficulty. I will definitely love to cover those topics. And yeah, let's meet up very soon in our next session. Thank you.